What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and learn like humans. AI systems are designed to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, and language translation. How artificial intelligence is helpful in biological research. AI can be helpful in biological research in several ways. 1. Drug discovery and development. AI can assist in the identification of potential drug targets and predicting drug interactions with proteins. 2. Predictive modeling of diseases. AI can help predict the progression of diseases and identify potential therapeutic targets. 3. Gene editing. AI can assist in the design of CRISPR-Cas9 gene editing experiments. 4. Image analysis. AI can help with the analysis of high-throughput microscopy images, identifying structures and cellular processes. 5. Sequence analysis. AI can assist in the analysis of genomic and proteomic data, identifying patterns and relationships in large datasets. Overall, AI can help accelerate and improve biological research by automating tedious tasks, discovering new insights, and reducing errors.